Hey, this is Luca with the DeSoto Public Library, and we're doing home crafts that you can do at home. And today we're going to be making paper plate Easter bunnies. This bunny rabbit's name is Josh. Josh would stay around, but unfortunately he's very tired and would like to go to sleep. So we're just going to say bye to Josh real quick. Bye, Josh. Anyways, so in order to make a paper plate Easter bunny, first you need is paper plate. Then you'll need some glue, because we do need glue to glue stuff down. Then we'll need some pipe cleaners. They don't have to be green. They can be any color. You can mix and match the colors. Then we're gonna need like some pom-poms. And if you don't have a pom-pom, you can use a button instead. We're also gonna need some scissors, definitely. No, I'm using scissors that are big because, well, I'm a big person, and y'all will need to use little scissors because y'all will most likely be little people, unless your parents are helping you, in which case they can use the big people scissors. You also need a marker. I mean, any color marker like red or blue or green, I think. Any color marker will work, really. And all right, and tape. You will need tape. I mean, tape is optional, but it might be easier to use tape. Okay, so first thing you'll want to do is get your paper plate and flip it over onto the back. So it should be laying down like this. And afterwards, you're gonna want to fold it in half, other way, long ways, where I made the little X's. That's where we're gonna make our cuts. Now this is where you'll get your parents to help. You would make a cut right here and make another one right here. Try to get them in the middle. Okay. Then after that, you're gonna shift your attention to the pipe cleaners. So you're gonna wanna line them up, get them all centered, good and centered. You don't want one longer than the other, unless your bunny's just built like that. In which case, you just wanna twist them together in the middle, preferably. Twist them together, and once they're loose like that, what you're gonna do is flip your plate over to the side you would normally eat off of and run the pipe cleaners through the little cuts you made. So kind of like that. Just pull them on through, and then do the same with the other side. Pull them through, and oops. Okay, those are the bunny whiskers. Okay, afterwards, get them all separated, or they can be close together. Maybe your bunny combs their whiskers, you never know. Afterwards, you'll grab any color pom-pom. Since his whiskers are green, we will use blue. So we're gonna get this blue, put a small little dab of glue on it, and just put it in the center like that. Leave it alone for a little bit, like a good 20-30 seconds while the glue dries. That little blue palm will be its nose. Afterwards, we're gonna wanna work on the eyes. But first, a bunny needs to speak before it can see. So what we're gonna do is draw the mouth. So the mouth is really easy. You're gonna wanna draw it below the nose, and we'll use red. So basically it's really simple. You're just gonna wanna make like an uppercase J, like that. And then at the top, you're gonna wanna attach another uppercase J, but like write it backwards. So it should look like that. All right, and now onto the eyes. So right here, what we have are some googly eyes. If you don't have googly eyes, you can always draw them on with like marker, or if you want to get really creative and go a little crazy, get some construction paper and just cut out like black dots and glue them on there. Or if you even have black pom-poms, you can just like glue the pom-poms for the eyes. So yeah, what we're gonna do is just dab some glue on here and put one up there. And do the same thing with the other eye. Put some glue on the back and dab it on there. Oops. And put some right there. And now our bunny can see. All right, and that's it, right? That's how you make a bunny, right? Or are we missing something? Oh, that's right. We are missing bunny ears, like on Bonella over here, Josh's sister. And like Josh, Bonella is sleepy, so she is going to sleep. Say bye now. All right, bye, Vanilla. Okay, on to the next step. Now, ears. Now, I don't know if y'all noticed, but Josh and Vanilla had different ears. Josh's were kind of more pointy, and Vanella's were a bit more fluffy. Well, round. So what you're going to want to do is grab any marker. If you're using like a light paper, I would suggest getting a dark marker so you can see it. So I'm going to get something red. And I'm gonna draw round, fluffy ears. They're really easy, it's just like super easy. Just watch what I do. And yeah, like that. So you just draw that, and then you're gonna wanna get your scissors and cut them out. Now cut them out on the line. It's okay if you don't cut on the line, we're all still learning. Parents should probably cut on the line though. Cool, okay. Just gonna cut these out real quick. Okay, cool, and now we have 2 bunny ears. But wait, don't bunny ears usually have a different color inside? That's right, they do. So now we need to make 2 different colors for bunny ears. And lucky for me, I have orange right here, and orange and blue look really nice together. So what I'm gonna do is trace the bunny ears over this orange construction paper. Cool, and just go ahead and do a quick trace like that, just draw around it. Cool. And it should look like this, same size as the outside of your bunny ears. Now here comes the fun part. This part you actually don't have to cut the lines, you just gotta cut inside the lines because the inside of the ear is smaller than the outside of your ear. Now if you've seen a bunny with an inside ear that's bigger than the outside, go ahead and go crazy and cut that out. But for now, we're just gonna do like normal bunnies-ish type of ear things. So yeah, go ahead and cut these out. That goes right here, I think. And you know, you can also play music while doing this, in case it gets too quiet. And yeah, so you should have, your cuts should look something like this. Notice how they're inside the lines, smaller than the big ear. Then you're just going to put the ears, the smaller ears inside the little ears, kind of like that. See how you can still see the blue around it. Then you're going to get your glue, and don't go crazy. And just, you know, gently put some glue on it. And place the ear in it like that. Yeah, like that. Do the same for the other ear. Nice amount of glue. Then just go ahead and put this bunny ear on the inside. And yeah, okay, so now we have 2 bunny ears. And what we're really gonna do now is flip this around. The glue should be dried on the nose and the eyes now. Now we could glue the ears on, but that takes too long. I'm pretty impatient. So what we're gonna do now is when we get our tape. We're gonna use our tape and just tape them on there. So we're just gonna line it up like that. And one more for the other side. Well, the other ear should be on the same side. Well, no, your ear shouldn't be on your same side of the head. And yeah, bunny rabbit. Ears and everything. Now, if your bunny rabbit has kind of like, you know, super floppy ear, you can like kind of bend it over like this. And yeah, you made one bunny rabbit. And yeah, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this craft. We'll be uploading more home craft videos here at the DeSoto Public Library. Thanks for watching. Bye.